Okay, so I got the first load of laundry started. I took the medicine for my head and I am just heating up some of the hamburger stew from last night. And after I get through eating that, we will see what else we can get done today. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today is Sunday, so it's time for a Sunday setup. I have started one load of laundry and then I switched that out when I got out of the shower. So I have one load in the washer and one load in the dryer. And I think I have just one more load after I switch those back out. I did wash my bed covers yesterday, so I'm gonna make up my bed because I like to fold my laundry on my clean bed. I do need to unload and reload the dishwasher and clean the bathroom, and I think that's all we're gonna get done today. It is 11:30, but I'm cooking my sister's birthday dinner tonight at my mama's house. So I don't want to get over there too late because I don't want everybody to have to eat dinner late waiting on me. So I will probably show y'all what I cook. I'll show you our plates, but I'm not going to go through the whole recipe process. I am making her favorite chicken stuffing casserole, and that is a pretty lengthy process to that recipe, but I will link a video for it in the description box below because I do have it on my channel step for step, and once you watch it you will see why I'm not going to film the entire process. That would turn this Sunday setup video into about an hour long, and it wouldn't be posted until about 10 or 11 o'clock tonight, so I'm not going to do that. But I am going to unload the dishwasher really quick and get that reloaded, and hopefully it'll be time to switch out the washer and dryer, and then we will clean the bathroom. Sunday setup. I hope you all are having a fabulous Sunday. I got everything done that I wanted to get done today, and now I'm just gonna head over to my mama's house to get started cooking, and I will show you all what it looks like when it gets done. Thank you all for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. So if you need to get caught up on Vlogust, I will have it listed in the description box below in a playlist. So make sure you click on that if you need to get caught up, and I kept them all short enough that you can just watch the playlist all the way through if you need to get caught up. And until then, make sure that y'all come back tomorrow, because Mondays are for Monday chats about the business, about my cleaning business. So don't miss that, and we will see you all tomorrow.